Tea time by the window, where I usually keep an eye on someone next door. My goodness. Oh, hello. How did you get in here? What's your name? She was very friendly and very soft. It was her home all of a sudden. We played all day long, for hours. She took naps in my lap and by the window, on the floor, on my books, and in my purse. Little Fluff. She liked me, and she felt safe, and it gave me such a joy. She wasn't just any cat. She was intelligent. We had a moment here and there. She would take a look at my National Geographic magazines and make a few comments about global warming or how to save the elephants. She reminded me of aristocats, gentle and elegant. When she needed me close, I stayed by her side. And didn't she fill my heart with love? But do dreams last long?